Well, I think both public sector, private sector, and philanthropic sector, all three have to work together in order to fight climate change. Like governments can't deal with climate change alone, and neither can the private sector, like companies and businesses, nor the philanthropic sector. And it's important to incorporate traditional knowledge because it's our worldview. We're all connected. We're not in isolation. Like what I mean by our worldview, like we recognize Mother Earth. It's all of our mother as human beings, and Father Sky and Grandmother Moon and Grandfather Sun and our relatives, the four-leggeds, the animals, the birds, the swimmers, we're all connected. That's our worldview. What you do to one impacts everything else. And we have to stop doing the damage, because we see the big fires, we see the big floods, we see the big winds. Our old people, our elders have talked, this is going to happen because we as the two-leggeds are not respecting Creator's laws. And we're damaging the water and we're damaging the lands. And our relatives are crying out. And that's why you see all these big fires, the big floods and everything else happening. So incorporating traditional knowledge in our worldview is very necessary in order to come up with strategies and plans to combat this and really embrace that we're all connected. And we really have to start thinking long term and embrace the view that the economy is 100% owned subsidiary of the environment. And we have to embrace that. And so basically the bottom line is we're all related, we're all connected. Let's embrace that concept. That's our worldview. Bring that forward through policy and legislation and everything else and dealing with climate change. And we'll think 7 generations down the road.